What if I told you? There are AI tools in 2025 that can create videos, build websites, write code, generate art, and even replace your 9 to 5, all while you sleep. You've heard of ChatGPT and Midjourney. But today, we're diving into the hidden gems of the AI world that no one's talking about yet. These aren't future concepts, they're real, working tools that could change the way you work, create, and live. Section 1, Pictory AI, the faceless YouTuber's best friend, studio microphone emoji. Let's start with Pictory AI, the tool behind thousands of viral faceless YouTube channels. Upload a script, and Pictory transforms it into a stunning, voice-narrated video, complete with stock footage, music, and captions. No camera. No mic. No editing skills. Just your ideas, and boom, a fully produced video, ready to go. If you're a content creator in 2025 and not using Pictory, you're falling behind. Section 2, Gamma, the AI presentation powerhouse, studio microphone emoji. Next up, Gamma.app, think of it as PowerPoint on steroids. Type your topic and Gamma generates a beautiful, interactive presentation in seconds. Forget hours of formatting slides, Gamma uses AI to design, structure, and even write the content for you. Perfect for students, CEOs, or anyone tired of boring decks. In 2025, time is currency, and Gamma makes sure you don't waste it. Section 3, Leonardo AI, game-changing image generation, studio microphone emoji. Heard of Midjourney? Sure. But Leonardo AI is where the real magic happens. It's trained for game assets, concept art, UI/UX designs, and hyper-realistic illustrations. Drag, drop, describe, and it generates visuals that look like they belong in a Hollywood film. Designers, developers, and digital artists, this is your secret weapon in 2025. Section 4, AgentGPT, studio microphone emoji. Now get ready for this, AgentGPT. Unlike normal chatbots, this one assigns goals to itself. Want to build a business? Launch a product? Grow a social media brand? Just type the mission, and AgentGPT breaks it down, plans every step, and executes using multiple AI agents. It's like having an entire startup team in your browser. 2025 isn't about automation anymore, it's about autonomy. Section 5: Rewind AI, your second brain. And finally, the most futuristic of them all, Rewind AI. It records everything you do on your computer, every meeting, email, browser tab, and lets you search your memory like Google. Forgot where you saw that article? Or what your boss said last week? Just type in a phrase, and Rewind shows you the exact moment it happened. It's like having a perfect digital memory. Privacy protected. Locally stored. Utterly mind-blowing. Studio microphone emoji. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And these tools aren't just cool, they're necessary if you want to stay ahead in a world that's evolving by the minute. So here's your challenge, collision emoji. Try at least one of these tools this week. Speech bubble emoji. Let us know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. Envelope with arrow emoji. And if you want a full tutorial series on how to use these AI tools to build income streams, automate businesses, or create viral content, hit that subscribe button right now. Because at TechNova AI, the future isn't just predicted. Rocket emoji, it's experienced. Bell emoji. See you in the next upload.